Okay, this is a German, either a steam or a Stirling engine get-up I found in an antique shop in Itaewon, South Korea. On the bottom of it here, it's got a stamp that says "Made in Germany" somewhere. It's got a boiler or a heater, the dump valve. I think under here is the firebox. Some valves on top, and a steam pipe. I'll show you where that goes. More access to the firebox. That comes up to the piston assembly.
Take a picture.
Oh, no taking pictures? Well, apparently we're not supposed to take pictures, so we'll go ahead and stop here.